Hi, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 alternatives to Clickbank that you can start using today. Now, before I begin, I have a quick disclaimer. I love Clickbank. I've discovered many products to promote through their marketplace, and I think they have one of the best beginner-friendly platforms around. Clickbank is full of variety. It's easy to use and some of the best commission rates, and they're all insanely good. It's tough to beat Clickbank when it comes to affiliate marketing, especially if you're just getting started. But when I search on YouTube for ideas to teach affiliate marketing, I'm finding that almost everyone's talking about Clickbank and nothing else. And that can be a bit of a problem. First, if everyone is using Clickbank, then you're going to end up promoting the same exact product as everyone else, which leads to saturation. So while your marketing may be great, your audience may be tired of hearing about the same product. Second, smart affiliate marketers diversify, meaning they don't put all their eggs in one basket. That way, if anything happens to Clickbank, you'll have a handful of products and programs you can continue to promote and earn money from day in and day out. So let's dive into some of the best alternatives for Clickbank. First is JVZoo. JVZoo is a lot more like Clickbank in the way that it's structured, but features a lot of products specifically for online entrepreneurs and digital marketers. There's also a number of software programs through their platform. One cool feature about JVZoo is that they frequently run contests with their affiliates so that not only can you make a lot of money simply promoting products, but you'll also have the opportunity to make other prizes like cars, cash, and massive publicity if you're becoming a top affiliate for the product launch. Next is Market Health. This one's specifically for those in the health and fitness field. Now, if you check out Clickbank's website under health, fitness, and beauty, you'll find a few products, but Market Health has dozens of products and specializes in this field. So you can be sure that the offers are created by actual professionals and not people just throwing a course for a few supplements together. Thirdly, we're going to talk about ClickFunnels. Now, when I tell people about ClickFunnels as an alternative to Clickbank, they usually say, doesn't ClickFunnels just sell one product? And while it's true, they have one of the best funnel builder products in the world, there's actually a ton of products that you can promote as an affiliate for ClickFunnels, which is why I included them on the list. From books to training programs to additional software. Once you become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, you'll have access to a suite of products ready to promote. Next on the list is Digistore24. Now that name might sound weird, but Digistore is quickly becoming one of the biggest competitors to Clickbank. In fact, I've recently seen entrepreneurs take their product off of Clickbank and sell primarily through Digistore. Now, I'll be honest, as I go through the Digistore website, I don't see too many differences between Digistore and Clickbank, even if Digistore's website is a little more outdated. So the smart thing to do is to create an account for both and consistently check the new product section to see what's popular. Fifth option is Partner with Anthony. Now, Partner with Anthony is a course that was developed by Anthony Morrison, a leading digital marketer who's been sharing his secrets to success for the last 15 years or so. In the PWA course, he not only teaches effective online marketing strategies, but he also goes in and shows you how to do everything. With Anthony, you'll learn how to figure out the what and the why and the how. And honestly, this isn't something you get with courses these days. And if that was all Anthony did in the PWA course, it would be worth it. But he takes another step and offers you done for you sales funnels and email sequences. And then to top it all off, he gives you access to promote his products, including PWA and proprietary software like Build Redirects. So you get world-class trainings, done for you elements to plug into your business, and high ticket, high quality products to promote. That's like an affiliate program on steroids. Now, I know you're thinking that this is one of those $5,000 courses in some multi-level marketing scheme. Well, think again. It literally costs about $7 a month. That's the same price you're paying for Hulu or Disney Plus, except for this subscription, you learn how to create business that makes you money while you sleep. As a beginner to affiliate marketing, I can't tell you how helpful this course is for me. To have a seasoned marketer show me the ropes, teaching me how to succeed, building my confidence, that's invaluable. So if you're a beginner, this course is for you. If you've tried to succeed on your own and you haven't made $1 yet, this course is for you. If you've watched this video all the way to the end, this course is for you. The link in the description below, even if it's just something you're intrigued about in this course, click on the link and learn more. Like I said, $7 a month. You've got nothing to lose. All right, now let's talk about the main takeaway from this video. It's pretty simple. There are a ton of affiliate networks out there, not just Clickbank. I truly believe you should sign up for as many as you can and carefully comb through the products to see which makes the most sense for you to promote. We could sum it up much better off as an affiliate because you won't be reliant on just one program or one niche. In other words, don't put all of your eggs into one basket. I hope you take away the info today to begin diversifying your business and setting yourself up for long-term success. As always, thank you for stopping by and watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. Most importantly, take action. I'll see you next time.